Yo, Coco. You ain't here. I do. No, I can't. Cannot get public properly and I could park. Yo, two.
You said what?
Nigga,
Who you talking to?
okay. I'm not doing.
Wait, moving for what?
Yeah.
Bro, what is you on, nigga? We ain't bothering you. We in the bar.
I'm
Fool, we is not doing nothing to nobody, fool. We is in here cooling, fool. My gun was already out, fool.
over here.
Fool, what is you on, bro? Fool, we is in a green zone in the bar. I don't even have my gun. I don't even have no car out there. You doing some illegal shit right now. You doing some illegal shit right now, fool.
For no reason.
For nothing. We in the green zone. You can't even do this.
Bro, this the green zone, man.
Fool, we is in a green zone. What is you on?
Hey, chill, bro.
Fool, we did not do nothing.
Y'all I'm putting the green ticket in, bro. Green ticket, boy. Your ass going down, boy. Green ticket.
Fool, you
Green
on some,
ticket.
you on some other shit.
For real, gang.
We didn't call nobody, nigga. We just sitting there the whole time talking to you. What the fuck is you talking about? Now you just adding shit. You drunk?
For real. For real.
Assume who you talking to.
He's a new person that's probably came to smoke him a blunt IRL.
Yeah, what the fuck? He probably came to the bar just like we did. We just came to the bar. I don't know this nigga.
For real. Take you so bum. Yo, everybody come to
Fool, you just said you was moving the vehicle. What? Like, what you on, fool?
They done locked me up. They take me to jail while I was spraying. I was trying to spray.
And this nigga came into a green zone and locked it up.
That's a green ticket. We already in the garage.
Yo, Bronx, we were gunned
Yo,
down outside of the bar.
Get your peoples, gang. Forget your arrest.
10-4.
If they died on the scene, they can't be part of the arrest. That arrest, I mean, you know, they can't be part of the arrest or part of the remainder of that RP because they died out.
Get out. I'm not tripping about that, but it's just the simple fact we had to do all this. Cause what? We sitting in a bar. He had to move a car.
No, it's all good. You don't got to put me on it. It's all good. I died.
Now you can still log him in as an assisting officer as long as he helps. I'm
Bored as
just
a
saying
bitch.
he can't continue to RP this scene or any part of it just because he died on scene. So
I understand.
that's just part of the new life rule.
If you want to get some money, bro, just say that.
But he can still get credit nonetheless.
Kenny. Kenny. Bro, I got a video, man. I got to I'm going to make it a YouTube.
Bondo, slow down a little
Bro,
bit.
you funny as shit, dude.
What I do?
Bro, on my video, right, it was me, Bando, it was like 5 of y'all badges and like 2 of us. It was like me and, who was it? Juan, we had did that arrest.
Man,
dude
fuck
who did
what
the
you
bomb
talking about.
threat.
When y'all niggas come back out,
hilarious?
shoot me again.
Oh, there's a suspect.
I'm gonna be at the same spot. I'm gonna be
Man,
at the same spot.
you know I'm locked up, right?
It's just ridiculous. Niggas just harassing.
Hey, how do I put in the green ticket?
You don't even know what the fuck you doing.
I know Discord, but how do I go to it on Discord?
You don't know what the fuck you doing, nigga.
Go on the welcome server and go to complaint system.
Dumbass. You don't know what the fuck you doing.
All right, bet.
Put the exact incident you want to report.
All you know how to do is handcuff, nigga. Shut your
We're
bitch
not,
ass.
we're not allowed to get hit
Fuck
by
what you talking about,
a
nigga.
taser, right? A gang taser.
Nigga ain't did nothing to your ass.
Yeah, I'm about to submit him right now.
The gun was already out. You asked me to put it away, and I never put it away. The gun was already out. Then you put your taser out. My gun was already out. You asked me to put it away. What the fuck? What the? I was never holding no AK-47. What are you talking about?
It looks like he's at the apartments right now.
My dead mother's grave. I'll shoot this bitch up, bitch.
The fuck? I'm gonna be out. What? Nigga, come back to the
Yeah, I
same
think he
spot
owns
and
an
say
apartment
the same
there.
shit. What are you talking
I'm
about?
gonna
Nigga?
blow this bitch up.
These niggas really
Yeah, he's still there.
ridiculous, man. This shit is ridiculous.